Console Cloud and Maintenance Manager have partnered together to bring you the best in comprehensive maintenance workflows. Introducing Console Maintenance Pro. You will benefit from smart communications, complete transparency, and full audit trails. And best of all, it's free to your agency. All of this is just the beginning of an evolving and seamless integration between the two platforms. Let's take a closer look at what you can expect from the integration as it is today. To get started, log into Console Cloud, go to Workflow, and click Maintenance. Click the Add New button to open a new maintenance request in Console Maintenance Pro, where you can fill out the job details. You can then progress the job by either engaging trade suppliers for quotes or issuing a work order, refer the request to the owner for job approval, or save the job in the selected property manager's new request folder. The current status of the job will automatically update in Console Cloud, so you can see the progress of the job at a glance. Once the trade supplier has completed the job and provided an invoice, you can approve the invoice in Console Maintenance Pro, which will then pass the invoice over to Console Cloud. When the bill has been paid, the job will close in both Console Cloud and Console Maintenance Pro. With more streamlined functionality and greater developments coming your way, we think you're going to be impressed by what the future looks like. Call today to learn more.